Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my Ipsy Glam bag for June of 2020. What? Do you want up here? Do you want to say hello? Hold on, my puppy wants to say hello. Come here, since you want to be up here. Oh, let's say hello to everyone. Okay, this is Miss Eleanor. If you have never met her, this is Eleanor. My cat Yeti is right there sleeping, but this is Ellie. So anyways, yeah, today we're gonna open up what I got in my June glam bag, which I've actually had this for a while. I just haven't felt like actually filming a video in a while, so it's been sitting around. And actually, as you guys know, I haven't actually filmed a video in like a week. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna open up my Ipsy, see what we got. I kind of forgot what I got, but it's very heavy for a glam bag, and I didn't get add-ons, so I really don't remember what I got. I do know I picked a Oprah highlighter, and I know some of you guys were commenting saying you got the actual full-sized Oprah highlighter instead of like the mini version that I showed you that I've gotten in the past. So I'm like shocked that it's like a full size, which also I have an opinion on that, which I think you guys should hear. But anyways, I guess let's get into it. So if you guys enjoy these types of videos, because I am your very friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing girl, please give us a thumbs up to show some support, and don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me, because I've noticed in my analytics over half of my viewers are not subscribed. And if you're already a viewer, please do me the honor and subscribe, because it really will mean so much to me. You have no idea. And let's go ahead and get into the video. All right. Actually, you know what? This one actually wasn't as hard to open this time. Wow. Oh, you know what? I don't have it anymore, but people were telling me that I got the wrong bag, and now I'm realizing I did get the wrong bag, because I already have this one, and I didn't get the teal one in the plus like I was supposed to. I got this one, so I got two of these, but I don't have it anymore because I gave it to my niece when I brought her a bunch of makeup. But look at this guy. This guy is packed, so I'm excited to open it up and show you what I got. Okay, moment of truth. What did we get? What did we get? Oh, you know what? This is a full size. Now, here's the thing though about this, is that this is old packaging, so it makes me wonder how old this highlighter really is. Like, because they quit making this packaging like over a year ago. Hold on, let me open this and then I'll show you. If you didn't see my other video, I will compare. Yeah, I got this. This is the Highlight in Covent Garden, which is a really pretty pinky shade. Here we go. And this is what I thought we were going to be getting, was this size, because I know people have gotten this size before in their regular glam bag, which is this size, which this one's $16 on their website. And then here's this one, which is full size. But this is the packaging now. This is the packaging. It's a square package, and they changed this forever ago, okay? And I wonder if the same amount of product is in here. That's not a full highlighter. Let me look at an actual highlighter. 10 grams. 10 grams, yeah. Okay. Oh, and this is an Oprah X Talia Mar. So this one was a collab highlighter. But anyways, so it makes me wonder, like, how old is this highlighter? How long has this been sitting around? Which, I mean, I'll use a powdered highlighter for years. Who gives a crap? But for, like, you know, us in the public of getting things publicly, that makes zero sense. Ooh, but this is a pretty color. Look at that. So pretty. But anyways, it just makes me wonder how long this was sitting around. And obviously, Ipsy got a really good deal on them because, you know, really old packaging. They don't make these anymore. So how long has this been sitting around? That's my only, like, concern. But also, like, I'm gonna use this for years to come and use these for years to come, because nobody pays attention to expiration dates. And honestly, this doesn't have one because we don't have the actual packaging. But I mean, you know, it's just, they don't, you know what I'm trying to say, you can use them past the expiration date. Yeah. And plus the highlight still feels soft as ever. That's the only thing. Okay. Oh, here we go. Here's the card. Makingwaves, yada yada. You don't tell me prices. I know. Whatever. Next up, we have a nail polish from House of Makeup. Packaging is actually really cute, by the way. Now this is where I am totally happy with getting a nail polish in a $12 bag, because if I get a nail polish in my $25 box, or especially the $50, I complain. Actually, this has a batch number on it, and it says it was made December of 2019, so it's a new nail polish. Cool. Yes. Okay, now here's the color, and I remember this, obviously, because I looked it up. I don't have nail polish on because I was waiting to get this because it's such a beautiful nude color, and I want to actually do my nails with this. Like, I'm excited for this nail polish. It's called Flat White, so yeah, it's just a nude shade that I'm extremely excited about. Actually, this whole bag I think is gonna be a good one. I can't remember. Next up we have from the brand Eggplant, and I want to say this is a repeat item because it looks very familiar. Or maybe I've gotten it somewhere else. I don't know. This is the Eggplant Clearing Mud Cream Mask, and it has eggplants on it. I really wish that this focus would fix. I'm so sorry. I'm a noob when it comes to cameras. I want to smell it. I wonder if it smells like eggplant. I don't really smell anything, and also I've never smelled eggplant, so I don't really know what I was expecting. But here's this. Cool. Next up, we have a product that I normally would be very upset about, and we did just get a liner, which is what is all over my hands, in a Boxycharm, and then I got another one, whatever. Anyways, this is the Kat Von D setting powder in translucent. This is the Lock-It powder. Now, I would normally be really mad, but since Kat Von D has nothing to do with the company anymore, and she gets none of my money, I don't mind trying the products out. Am I going to go out of my way to buy anything from the brand? No, but if I get it in a subscription box, I would be fine with trying it. Feels really smooth. So yeah, we have this little powder from Kat Von D. Great. And then last in the box, not the box because this is a bag, we have something from, oh, I don't know how to say this. This is a body lotion. I don't do body lotions, so, oh, wait, this must have been made specifically for Ipsy, because on the back, it's not a sticker, it says free gift. You visit their website and you get 50% off if you use the code IPSYNL50, and Ipsy customers only, limited time offer. So you can use the code if you're not an Ipsy person. I don't think they're gonna know. But yeah, I do have to say, you know, safety seals on products make me so happy. Oh, wait a minute. I'm gonna use this. Yep, I'm gonna use it right now. It smells so freaking amazing. It smells like summer. Hold on. It smells like summer. So for that reason, this is mine and I'm keeping it. Okay, great. Love it. So yeah, that is everything that came in the bag this month. I am actually impressed. I think that this month specifically for the glam bag, or at least my specific glam bag, is it's really good. Like, a really pretty nail polish. Actually, this one's kind of an array of products. Just like I said in my video that I just filmed, which I don't think you guys have seen it yet, is my Boxycharm Premium. There was a very, like, spread out array of products. We have a face mud mask. We also have a makeup powder, makeup highlighter, full size might I add, even though it is an old product, older packaging. Not sure how long it's been sitting around for, since I haven't made this in a very long time. The nail polish, and then this. So 2 skin items, a nail item, and 2 makeup items. I think the variety here is actually really great. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions down below. Did you like your glam bag this month? And if you don't get Ipsy, do you like what I got? Or if anybody got really bad bags and you've seen an unboxing, let me know. And I do want to say that I compared the Ipsy to Allure, and I still think that Allure wins for the money, but I do think that Ipsy did really well this month, and I am very impressed. If you haven't seen my Allure unboxing for June, please check that out. It's a $15 subscription, and I think that it definitely wins over Ipsy every time. It's a really good subscription box. Definitely check it out. See what I got for June. But yeah, that's it. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and go. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!